Aren't these mini cakes just so cute? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this pair of mini cakes that are perfect for Valentine's Day date night dessert. You'll need a pair of Ramkin dishes to bake these in. Here are the ingredients: half a cup of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup vegetable oil, half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and 2 eggs. Other than the ingredients, other things that you'll need are baking spray or cooking spray for greasing the ramekins, or you can use butter or oil. You'll also need your favorite icing recipe, or like me, you may have containers of icing in your cupboard that you need to use up before they expire. That's good too. You'll also need your favorite cake toppings, like sprinkles or chocolate chips. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In one bowl, combine all the dry ingredients. In another bowl, mix all the wet ingredients. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix well. Pour half the batter into each ramkin, leaving enough room for the cake to rise. Bake your cakes for half an hour, or until a toothpick comes clean. My oven took about 36 minutes. After it's cool, decorate your mini cakes however you like. You can pop the cakes out of the ramekins, but I left mine in because I just love the look of these little Cake Boss ramekins and I wanted to serve them in it. I iced mine and added some white sugar sprinkles. So cute! Happy Valentine's Day! Be sure to like the video and check out my channel for more crafty videos. See you in the next one.